Alright guys, it's going to be a quick video on how to install the trailer brake, the control on this is a 2019 GMC Yukon XL. So I'm going to be showing that quickly. I mean, tomorrow we're going to go on a trip, so I want to make this fast, so not make this video boring. Here's the tools that I'm going to use, that I already used. It's going to be a Phillips and a flathead. For the actual control, here it is. It's the Hopkins impulse. So you guys can see that number on there is 47233. Hopkins brake control impulse. This is from Walmart. And then this one I actually had to order it. I couldn't find it at Walmart or any auto parts, so I had to order it at Oreilys. You see how it looks right there for Chevy GMC. That's the part number 53075. Alright, so the first thing, well, I already got that mounted up. I mean, that's basic. Wherever you want it, you mount it. And then as for where the harness goes, right here by your brake pedal, between your brake pedal and your e-brake pedal, it's got this cap right here. It's gonna have these three clip things right here. So you just take those, push on those and pull it out, and you see how that works right there. So you just pull this cap off, and you get into the harnesses right here. Now I don't know if you guys will actually see it, but right there, right where I'm pointing with the screwdriver here, it says TR, and that's going to be where your trailer brake harness goes. So I already went ahead and took it out. As you see, it looks like that. It's got these 4 pins, and it's pretty, you can tell where it goes, because on this side over here by over off to the left side, it's got like a little dip, and that's where the clip goes. So just see where the clip goes, and that clip on that side. So we're just gonna snap that in place. Alright, we got that secure in there. So once we do that, I'll go ahead and wire it. I'll just run some zip ties on through here right now. Zip tie it through whatever I can over here. But we'll go ahead and clip it into place. You can see it's pretty basic. You can tell where that lock goes on that side and where this goes. So snap that into place. Right now I'll go ahead and zip tie that so it's hidden, and place that box on there. Now this box, you're gonna squeeze this cable right on the bottom of the box. It's gonna come out through this bottom right here where my finger's at. That's where it's gonna come out. It's through somewhere right here. So alright, I got that in there. Let me just turn on the truck. Alright, truck's on. And you see when we press that button right there, we got power to it. And then right here, we can set it. So I'll probably just watch another YouTube video and see how to set these things. there you guys have it. It's installed right there. You can see when you push the brake, when you push this button right here, it'll give you, according to how much you press on the button, that's how much force is going to be applied to your trailer brake. If you want a full hard brake, you just press it all the way down and give you 99. The setting right here, up and down. Alright, there you guys have it. Installation on the bracket. Since I didn't have to screw it right on the other side, I just put it on one side. You know, it's still pretty firm in there. It's not going nowhere, so I'm not too worried about that right there. So there you guys have it, quick and easy. Yep. Again, if you guys want the parts again, that is 47233 on the control. It's a Hopkins brake control, the impulse, and 53075 for the harness. Now both of these were under $100, so there you guys have it. Remember to like and subscribe, and see you guys later.